Today, I'm diving deep into the crazy world of INV stock and trying to figure out what's really going on right now. INV stock has been on a wild ride lately, with its value fluctuating wildly over the past few weeks. This volatility is a major concern for investors, who are trying to make sense of the market trends and figure out whether INV stock is a good buy or not. The recent price swings have left many wondering if the stock is due for a rebound or if it's heading for further declines. One of the main challenges facing INV stock right now is the overall market trend. We're seeing a lot of uncertainty in the market, with many investors feeling cautious about the future. This has led to a decrease in investor sentiment, with some people pulling out of the stock and others holding on for dear life. The market trends are definitely playing a role in INV stock's volatility, and it's essential to keep an eye on them if you're considering investing. Another challenge facing INV stock is the increasing competition in the industry. With new players entering the market, INV is having to fight harder to stay ahead of the game. This has put pressure on the company's profits and has led to some concerns about its long-term viability. As an investor, it's crucial to consider the competitive landscape and how it's impacting INV stock's performance. The current market conditions are also having a significant impact on INV stock. We're seeing a lot of fluctuations in the market, and INV stock is no exception. The stock's price is moving rapidly, and it's essential to stay on top of the trends if you want to make informed investment decisions. I'm keeping a close eye on the market and watching to see how INV stock responds to the current conditions. Recently, there have been some significant developments that are worth mentioning. INV released its latest earnings report, which showed some promising results. The company reported a surge in revenue and a strong profit margin, which helped boost investor confidence. However, some analysts are still expressing concerns about the company's long-term prospects. One analyst noted that INV's growth may be slowing down, which could impact its stock price in the long run. Another analyst pointed out that the company's competitors are catching up, which could make it harder for INV to stay ahead. Despite these concerns, many analysts still believe that INV stock has potential, and it's worth keeping an eye on. INV's recent partnership with a major industry player has also been making headlines. This partnership could help INV expand its reach and improve its products, which could be a significant boost to its stock price. However, some investors are still waiting to see more concrete results from the partnership before jumping on board. There's also been some news about a potential regulatory change that could impact INV stock. The change could affect the company's business model and lead to a decrease in its stock price. However, it's still too early to tell what the actual impact will be, and investors are eagerly waiting for more information. One crucial piece of information that could significantly impact INV stock in the near future is the upcoming product launch. INV has been working on a new product that's expected to revolutionize the industry. If the product is a hit, it could send INV stock soaring. However, if it flops, it could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. The product launch is just around the corner, and investors are eagerly waiting to see how it will play out. Many are speculating about the potential impact on INV stock, and some are even predicting a major price surge. Of course, it's impossible to predict the future, but one thing is for sure, the product launch is going to be a major catalyst for INV stock. The launch is also expected to have a significant impact on the industry as a whole. If INV's new product is successful, it could set a new standard for the industry and put pressure on competitors to keep up. This could lead to a significant shift in the market, and INV stock could be at the forefront of it. The upcoming product launch is definitely something to keep an eye on if you're interested in INV stock. It's a high-risk, high-reward situation, and it's essential to be prepared for any outcome. So, let's recap. INV stock has been experiencing significant volatility due to market trends, investor sentiment, and competition. The recent earnings report and analyst opinions have been mixed, but the upcoming product launch could be a major game changer. If you're invested in INV stock, it's essential to stay informed and adjust your strategy accordingly. If you've got thoughts on INV stock or other trending stocks, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my analysis of other stocks that are making waves in the market right now.